reliable dumpster rental solution in Ohio. Planning a big move? A reliable dumpster rental solution in Ohio can help you declutter efficiently, and Credible Dumpsters LLC is here to make the process stress-free. Moving is the perfect time to sort through your belongings and leave behind what you no longer need. Instead of packing up unnecessary items, let us provide a convenient dumpster to handle the excess. Our range of dumpster sizes is perfect for managing everything from old furniture to unwanted clutter. With our fast delivery and easy pickup services, clearing out your space has never been simpler. Credible Dumpsters LLC is dedicated to helping you create a clutter-free, organized move. Our team ensures timely service so you can stay on schedule during your big transition. From small cleanouts to major pre-move purges, we've got you covered. Declutter your home efficiently while saving time and energy with our dependable dumpster solutions. Call us today at 440-230-6025 and let Credible Dumpsters LLC simplify your move. Credible Dumpsters LLC, helping you leave the clutter behind and move forward with ease.